Hello guys, this is Solo Travel Girl. Long time not see. So this time I'm in a place called Shaogan. We are going to water trace in the canyon in China. I'm very excited because the place is absolutely stunning. You have to see it. Wow, look at this. This is absolute craziness. Whoa. Looks like a Amazon in Brazil, but it's actually China. The water is so clear here. It's hard to believe it in China, but it's absolutely wild. So watch it to the end because we're gonna trace the river today. Let's go. Wow, this is crazy! Woo! This is like the Amazon! Okay, tell me you are in China without telling me that you are in China. This is amazing. Oh my god, it's great. Wow. Look at the canyon. It's so great. Guys! Wow, wow, wow! This is amazing! Whoa! Woo! Good morning guys, this is Solo Travel Girl. After a very long time, this is my first video. The reason I am here today is because I am starting a river tracing today. So let's go. Welcome to Canton. This is just on my back, Canton. Okay guys, so this is Solo Travel Girl. I just saw a massive spider. Okay guys, so I have a small encounter. It's a massive spider, massive. Look at this. It's kind of like my hand. 8 centimeters. So this is actually toilet here. Okay. This is toilet. Doesn't matter because we're in a very small town in the canyon. Let's go. This is the kitchen. Oh, nice. This is Chinese kitchen here. Interesting. And we are going to eat here. After we come back from the canyon, this is our moving table. That's gonna move like this. And this is the view. We are going to chase the canyon today. Look at this. Oh, not a spider. I'm not gonna open the window. Let's go. Up here. And the interesting fact, it doesn't have ears. I don't know why. Not big. Okay, we're taking the boat. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. Wow. Oh, you want a photo? Okay. Listen. Wow, this is crazy. Woo! This is like the Amazon. Amazing. There's a landslide over there. Pretty dangerous. Yeah, it looks like Amazon River, but in China. Ah. Okay, so we are slowly approaching. This is my guide. I know him. I met him 2 years ago, and we are going to start our canoeing. It's amazing. Oh, my bag. Okay, go for it. What's that? So this time I'm in a place called Shaogan. We are going to water trace in the canyon in China. China has places, but they have great places. They have great places away from the city. And that's what we did. We drove 3 hours to get here. Then we're gonna hike through this beautiful canyon. Wow. Absolutely wild. So, wow, it's paradise. Beautiful. This is actual paradise here, guys. Look. Okay, these ladies are fishing here someday. Oh, they are fishing this is I think small snail. Okay, and this man is fishing. You see, everything in China is eatable. You can eat everything here. Okay, so this is actually awesome because places like this exist in China. Look at this. So great. The water is so clear. Look at this. Wow. Amazing. And there's almost no one here. It's so beautiful. That is very brave. It's fishing. Super small snails to eat. China, you can eat everything. And they say it's so delicious. Now we continue. Okay guys, so we started our water tasting. This is the canyon. And the water is so clear. So clear. So cold. So beautiful. Wow. Look at this. The canyon. Nature of China. We were tracing here in Canyon. Wow, look at this. These are kind of a places you don't really see much unless you go away from the technology and civilization. It's so beautiful. This is the canyon. This one is really, really narrow. Here. Wow, this is the waterfall. Amazing. This is river tracing here in China, Guangdong Province. The solo travel girl. Welcome to my world. Traveling. Really deep. It's actually deep. I can stand on the Wow, amazing. Look at that one. Imagine the amount of snakes that live there. Wow, it's really crazy. Amazing. There's a palm tree. No, there's a banana tree there. Banana tree, and look at the shape of it. It's pretty big here. Okay, tell me you are in China without telling me that you are in China. This is amazing. Oh my god, it's great. Wow. Look at the canyon. It's so great. Okay, so we made it to the canyon. Wow, here. Look at this. It's amazing. So cold. Wow, this is so great. Okay guys, so this is Solo Travel Girl. Remember, you can always subscribe to my adventures. This time water tracing here in Canyon, China. Look at this. Madness. This is Madness Solo Travel Girl. And watch the beach. Wow, amazing. Okay. Okay, so this is the sign. There's a lot of Chinese people don't know how to swim, so we need to put that rope here. There's for certain people there. Okay, we're going deep into the canyon. Oh, wow. People here. Oh, it's the water tracing here in China for the canyon. People are crazy. They're jumping from the cliff. Wow. Really crazy. Okay guys, so water tracing doesn't end in that canyon. It actually continues. And look at how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, so here the water is so clear. Here. Okay, this water tracing is amazing. Absolutely, look at this. Wow, so beautiful. It is also stunning nature, and you have to look for it. It's mostly away from the cities. We drive for 3 hours to get here, and we got the beautiful water tracing here in the canyon in Shangwan. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it well, but this is Solo Travel Girl. I love adventure, and I tell you something, there's no signal here. That's great. China is not only technology, it's also this. Wow. And this. And all this. Welcome to river tracing in China, in canyon here, away from signal, civilization. That's the beautiful nature. Wow, this is the China I want to show you. Amazing. And this is Solo Travel Girl. So we went through the tunnel. We got here. It's spectacular. Wow. This is the China you should see. Wow. This is nature of China. Wow, so beautiful. These are natural foods. Look at the holes. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, I forgot. Remember to subscribe and see you next video. Bye! These are the other guys there. Yeah, there you go. And this is the Chinese. This is the Chinese Amazon, and we're going to have a dinner here in the farm. This is Chinese way of eating. Chinese way of eating. This pumpkin, this bamboo root. Oh, these are the great cucumbers. Chicken. Chicken here. Chicken. Massive fish. Massive fish. That's massive. And these are beautiful here in the canyon. There you go. Okay guys, so certainly I prefer being around the nature rather than the brick city. Yeah, see you next destination. Bye.